Hello my dear friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting question from algebra. Our equation is x plus 10 whole power 5 over x plus 9 whole power 5 plus x plus 11 whole power 5 equal to 1 over 82. Here x cannot be equal to negative 10. So we can divide our numerator and denominator of LHS by x plus 10 whole power 5. Let's divide. X plus 10 whole power 5. Now numerator will be 1. So I can write our equation 1 over x plus 9 whole power 5 plus x plus 11 whole power 5 over x plus 10 whole power 5. RHS is 1 over 82. Or I can split our denominator. So I will write here 1 over x plus 9 over x plus 10 whole power 5 plus x plus 11 over x plus 10 whole power 5 in the denominator itself equal to 1 over 82. Now I will consider reciprocal of both the sides. So switching off numerator and denominator, we will get x plus 9 over x plus 10 whole power 5 plus x plus 11 over x plus 10 whole power 5 equal to 82. Now I can write 9, this 9 as 10 minus 1 and this 11 as 10 plus 1. So we can write x plus 10 minus 1 over x plus 10 whole power 5 plus x plus 10 plus 1 over x plus 10 whole power 5 equal to 82. Now I will split our numerator. So I can write x plus 10 over x plus 10, which will give us 1 minus 1 over x plus 10 whole power 5 plus x plus 10 over x plus 10 will get 1 again plus 1 over x plus 10 whole power 5 equal to 82. Now we can consider our substitution 1 over x plus 10 equal to suppose a. So I will get equation 1 minus a whole power 5 plus 1 plus a whole power 5 equal to 82. Remember, a is our substitution 1 over x plus 10. Now I will use binomial expansion. Let me write here 1 minus a whole power 5 plus 1 plus a whole power 5 equal to 82, where a is 1 over x plus 10. Now I will write binomial expansion 1 minus a whole power 5. We can write 1 minus 5a, as we know all the coefficients of expansion using Pascal triangle 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So 1 minus 5a plus 10a square minus 10a cube plus 5a power 4 minus a power 5. This is expansion for 1 minus a whole power 5. Now I will add plus sign 1 plus a whole power 5. We can write 1 plus 5a plus 10a square plus 10a cube plus 5a power 4 plus a power 5, and RHS will be 82. Now we can cancel minus 5a minus 10a cube minus a power 5. 5a 10a cube a power 5. So we will get 5a power 4 10a square plus 1 twice. So I will take 2 common out. In the bracket we can write 5a power 4 plus 10a square plus 1 equal to 82. Now we can divide both sides by 2. So divided by 2, divided by 2. Here we will get 1. In RHS we will get 41. So our ultimate equation would be 5a power 4 plus 10a square plus 1 equal to 41. Now I will subtract 41 from both the sides. We will get 5a power 4 plus 10a square minus 40. 1 minus 41 will give us minus 40 equal to 0. Now equation is divisible by 5, or we can take 5 common out. So I will get a power 4 plus 2a square minus 8 equal to 0. Or I can write a power 4 plus 2a square minus 8 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation in a square. So we can write a square directly or find a square directly using quadratic formula. So if I will write formula, then minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. As per our equation, a is 1, b is 2, c is negative 8. Let's apply all the values. We will get minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square minus 4 times 1 times negative 8 over 2 times 1, or I can write the value of a square will be minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 plus 32 over 2. 4 plus 32 is 36. So I can write here minus 2 plus minus square root of 36 over 2. This is the value of a square. Now I can write minus 2 plus minus square root 36 is 6 over 2. With plus sign in between, we'll be getting minus 2 plus 6 over 2. And with minus sign, we will write minus 2 minus 6 over 2, which will give us 4 over 2. And here I will write minus 8 over 2. So the values of a square will be equal to 2 and negative 4. Now we can see square is negative for minus 4. It is negative, so we can utilize the result from complex numbers. I square is negative 1. So instead of writing minus 4, I can write this is 2i whole square, as I square is negative 1. Now we will take the square root both sides. Let me write once 2 and 2i whole square equal to a square. Now I will take square root both sides. We will be getting plus minus root 2 here and plus minus 2i here. Now a was our substitution. A was 1 over x plus 10. So I will write here 1 over x plus 10 equal to plus minus square root 2 and plus minus 2i. Now I will flip numerator and denominator. So I can write x plus 10 will be 1 over plus minus root 2 and 1 over plus minus 2i. Now I will multiply here for the second solution by I in the numerator and in the denominator. Now we know that I square is negative 1. So I can write x plus 10 will be, and here I will multiply numerator and denominator by square root 2. So we will be writing here plus minus root 2 over 2. And here I will be writing I square is negative 1. This is negative 1. So I can write here minus plus I over 2. So plus minus root 2 over 2 minus plus I over 2. Root 2 over 2 and minus plus I over 2. This is the value of x plus 10. Now I will take away 10 from both the sides. So I can write x equal to minus 10 plus minus root 2 over 2 and x equal to, for complex solutions, minus 10 minus plus, or I can write plus minus, it won't affect our solution. Now I will consider LCM. So we can write our final answer as x will be equal to minus 20 plus minus root 2 over common denominator 2, and complex solutions will be minus 20 plus minus I over complete denominator 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.